Hi, I'm Ron Covell. I've been teaching workshops for 28 years, and I've helped over 10,000 students so far in 9 countries around the world. All of my workshops for 2026 will be hands-on and limited to only 1 student each day. This ensures that each student will get my undivided attention, and you'll quickly see that I love helping people learn new skills. The small class size ensures that each student will get plenty of individual attention, and you'll quickly learn that I love helping people expand their horizons. My years of building award-winning cars and motorcycles, plus my strong background in sculpture and design, gives me a broad background of experience to share with my students. I can often suggest creative approaches for getting a job done that you might not think of yourself. These classes are open to men and women who work in many different fields, including furniture design, sculpture, automotive and motorcycle building and modification, or any field that involves fabrication with metal sheet, plate, tubing, and bar. You can shape metal to fit one of my bucks, or work on projects I've made patterns for, such as air scoops, tables, gas tanks, or bomber seats. Another approach is to focus on one or more tools, such as the English wheel, beading machine, or planishing hammer, and work through a set of projects which are progressively more challenging. If you don't know where to start, I can suggest projects appropriate for your interest and skill level. All classes will be held at my shop in Freedom, California, 80 miles south of San Francisco, between Santa Cruz and Monterey. The classes are held on weekends, and you can register for one or both days. I'm open to setting up training or consultations for individuals or small groups on any mutually acceptable dates, including weekdays. This is a unique opportunity to get personalized training from me in a clean, well-equipped shop. You can get more details on my website, covell.biz, or give me a call at 831-768-0705. I hope to see you in 2026. I love making these videos, and I'm honored that you're watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified about new videos. I read every comment, and I do my best to answer all questions. If you like what I'm doing, please click the Patreon link and become one of the great people who help me create new videos. I'll see you next time.